Welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and today we're making leftover turkey burritos. And hey, you don't even have to make it with leftovers. You can make your turkey and make your burritos and serve them as your Thanksgiving dinner, right? Or if you just got a bunch of leftovers, you don't know what else to do with it, man, I'm telling you, make burritos. And yeah, why do I have that much turkey left over? Well, on my other channel, Man Kitchen Recipes, I smoked a couple of turkeys. So anyway, let me cut this open and we'll do a taste test. What I'm going to do is heat up my giant flour tortilla. And that just loosens it up so that, you can roll it. If you get a little char on it, it just adds some little extra flavor. Little char. Okay, for this Thanksgiving dinner burrito, I've got white meat and dark meat left over. Now, all the ingredients are cold, so I am going to zap this in the microwave for probably a minute and a half once I get it all assembled. Okay, so we got to have turkey, right? What else you got to have? Oh, well, you got to have stuffing. I got leftover stuffing. All right, what else do I got? Oh yeah, you know what else is a classic? Green bean casserole. Yeah. So I got to get some green beans in there. Kind with the dried onions that you put on top and the cream of mushroom soup. You know, the real basic, easy green bean casserole. Yeah, that's probably enough. And you know what? What's Thanksgiving without Jellied cranberry sauce, right? The cranberry that's shaped like a can. I'm going to put some of that on here. So we got all the flavors of Thanksgiving, usually a traditional Thanksgiving anyway. And I am going to fold that up, pull it in, fold my ends in. Okay, and then I'm going to roll it tight. There you go. Not too huge. If you want to see a huge burrito, stay tuned. I'll be making a huge, that's the size of a plate. I'll be making a huge ground beef burrito real soon. There we go. That's a Thanksgiving burrito right there. It's got all of the leftovers, green beans, stuffing, cranberry, leftover turkey, and got some gravy right there. Now, I was thinking about serving this as smothered, but the more I think about it, handheld, how can you beat that, right? Let me cut that open and we can take a look. Okay. Look at that. Now that's a Thanksgiving burrito. All right. I think I'll take a taste test of it like this and then maybe I'll smother it. But I don't know. I think this is going to be good just like that without the gravy. All right. Let's get a taste. Think about that quick, easy, leftover Thanksgiving burrito. But like I said, this doesn't have to be a leftover burrito. Look at that. All right, now I didn't smother it. I was thinking about smothering it in the gravy, and I thought, man, this would make a perfect handheld Thanksgiving dinner, Thanksgiving snack, whatever, leftovers, lunch the next day. Look at that. See if I can get the light in there right. Oh my gosh, look at that. Jeez. Okay, it's got everything in there. I'm going to take a taste of this, and I'm still debating whether or not I should put gravy on it. I think it's just going to be good the way it is, but I may eat half plain and half with the gravy. How's that? All right, here we go. You get to see if I can get a bite of everything right there. Boy, if that doesn't say Thanksgiving, I don't know what does. That's fantastic. All right. Put a little gravy on that bite right there. Let's see if I want it smothered or not. I don't know. Pretty darn tasty. I mean, all the way down to that jellied cranberry. All right. There you go. Thanksgiving burrito. Thanksgiving dinner burrito. Just like that. Leftovers or not. Give it a try. If you have leftovers, give it a try. I think you're going to like it. All right. Thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. Happy Thanksgiving. And I hope you all enjoy your time together with your family.